Hello everyone. My name is Akila and I'm from Calicut. I have been a teacher. So when my family moved to a new location, I lost the job, and in search of new job in new location, I came to see about the self-paced 7 days learning program on Train the Trainer course. Under the guidance and mentorship of Srinivasa sir, I enrolled in it. It had wonderful sessions on goal setting, public speaking, positive mindset attitude, and so many more. And it has literally transformed me to a next level. And I once being a teacher and looking myself forward to continue that profession, I would recommend teachers or any professionals to take such a course to improve the overall performance and confidence, since it is a self-paced learning program where we can study in our own time. It's very advantageous. Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you.